Largest 2 halves model west/solarium and washer/dryer. See floor plan from original developers brochure. Ponte Verde at Palm Beach Lakes is a gated community offering resort-style living. 2 indoor racquetball courts, tennis courts, 2 resort-style swimming pools, west/sundeck and heated spa, state-of-the-art fitness center, security and more. Parking for residents by decal provided by condo associates. Good condition west/ceramic tiled floors throughout. New blinds as requested by condo associates. Subject to lease to long-term. Excellent tenants. Current lease expires on February 28, 2021, $1,300 per month.